Got your ball! Oh no, the phone is calling someone!
Hello, dear. You've called me on my mobile.
Grandma!
Oh, that cough sounds horrible. Well, don't worry about dinner. I'm making sausages.
Sausages!
Seriously, guys, you need to hang up.
Wrapped in bacon.
Oh, you can say bacon for hours. Oh.
This call is gonna cost a fortune.
And for dessert, cake
Did she say cake?
with ice cream.
Yum.